I'm going camping soon, and it is very dark in the woods, and I'm scared of the dark. 18-year-old, scared of the dark. Who sees that these days? But you never know what's out there, and I don't play with bugs or animals like that. Not my cup of tea. So I got these 2 flashlights. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them. It comes with 2 Type-C chargers since there are 2 flashlights. I'm just going to set those aside, take these out. And how these are going to be used are, since you do have to charge these, you're going to have a sliver right here to charge them on both sides. They are adjustable. They go higher, they go lower, different things. You can clip it onto anything you'd want. This is how you're going to turn it on. You just click it again, click it. There's 5 different settings, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to go ahead and turn this light off in my garage just so you can see how bright these are. That's 1, as you can see, super bright. It lights up the entire garage. This is going to be the brightest one, which is going to be the first click. And then you go a little dimmer and a little dimmer. And then this is the SOS mode. And then you just have it off. So maybe you're even looking to tell some scary stories and you have to have the flashlight to give the full effect. But if you're going camping, maybe you just need a flashlight. I say this is a good choice, and me and my family are going to definitely have a blast using these when we go camping this weekend. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.